Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. It is so good to see you today.
It's good to see you too, Paul. How are you?
I am great, thank you. And you? You look very happy today.
I am very happy. It's a beautiful day, and I am hungry.
Hungry, me too. I am always hungry.
Yes, food is so good. And that is our topic today. We are going to talk about food.
Ooh, I love this topic. Food is my favorite. What are we talking about?
We are going to talk about a very special meal. The question for today is, what was the best meal you have ever had?
Wow, the best meal ever? That is a big question. I need to think.
Yes, it is a big question, but it's a fun question. While you think, I want to say hello to our wonderful listeners.
Yes, hello everyone. We are so happy you are here with us.
That's right. And if you like our channel, please give us a like and subscribe. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. And share this episode with a friend. Maybe a hungry friend.
A very good idea, Paul. Okay, so, are you ready? Did you think of your best meal?
I think so, yes, I have an idea. It's a simple meal, but it was the best.
Oh, tell me. I want to know everything. Where were you?
I was at my grandmother's house.
Oh, your grandmother's house. That is so sweet. I love my grandmother.
Me too. My grandmother is a very, very good cook. Her food is amazing.
I believe you. Grandmothers are the best cooks. So, you were at her house. When was this?
It was a long time ago. I was a boy, maybe 7 years old.
Oh, so you were very young, a little boy.
Yes, very small. And it was my birthday, my 7th birthday.
Your birthday! That is a special day. So this was your birthday meal.
Yes, exactly. My family was there, my mom, my dad, my sister, and my grandmother, of course.
That sounds so nice. A family party. Were you excited?
Oh, yes, very excited. It was my birthday. I had new toys, and then it was time for dinner.
The best part. So what did your grandmother make for you? Was it a cake?
The cake was later. First, the meal. She made pasta.
Pasta! I love pasta. What kind of pasta?
It was spaghetti with a red sauce, a tomato sauce.
Classic. Spaghetti with tomato sauce. I like that.
But this was not just any spaghetti. This was my grandmother's special spaghetti.
Ooh, a special spaghetti. What was special about it?
The sauce. The sauce was wow. It was so good. She cooked it for a long, long time, all day.
All day? Wow. So the house smelled good?
Oh, yes, the whole house smelled like tomatoes and garlic and happiness.
Happiness. I love that. A house that smells like happiness. That's beautiful.
It was. And she made meatballs, too, little meatballs in the sauce.
Meatballs. Yum. I love meatballs. Were they big?
Not too big, perfect size for a 7-year-old boy.
Of course. And was there cheese? Please say there was cheese.
Yes, so much cheese. My grandmother put a big bowl of cheese on the table, and I could put all the cheese I wanted on my spaghetti.
All the cheese you wanted? That is a dream.
It was my dream. I put so much cheese on it. My mom said, "Paul, that is a lot of cheese."
And what did you say?
I said, "It's my birthday, and I put more cheese on."
Good for you. It was your special day. So you have this big plate of spaghetti with the special sauce, the meatballs, and lots of cheese.
Yes, it was a mountain of spaghetti, a delicious mountain.
I can see it now. And how did it taste?
Emily, it was perfect. The pasta was perfect. The sauce was warm and sweet. The meatballs were so soft. It was the best taste.
It sounds wonderful, Paul, really.
And the best part was, everyone was there. My family. Everyone was laughing and talking. My dad told a funny story. My sister sang a song. It was just a very happy time.
Ah, so it was not just the food, it was the people too.
Yes, exactly. The food was the best, but the family made it more than the best. It was a feeling, a happy, warm feeling.
That is so important. A meal is more than just food on a plate.
It is. It's a memory. I am a man now, but I can still remember that plate of spaghetti. I can remember the taste. I can remember my grandmother's smiling.
That is a beautiful memory, Paul. Thank you for sharing that. It makes me feel warm and happy too.
You are welcome. So, now it is your turn.
My turn? Okay, my story is a little different.
Different how? Tell me, where were you?
I was not in a house. I was outside.
Outside? Like in a restaurant with tables outside?
No, not a restaurant. I was in a park.
In a park? A picnic?
Yes, it was a picnic.
Oh, I love picnics. They are so much fun. Who were you with?
I was with my best friend, Sarah, just the two of us.
Your best friend. That is nice. And when was this? Were you a little girl?
No, this was not a long time ago. It was last summer. In the summer.
Oh, okay. Last summer. So you remember it very well.
Yes, I do. It was a perfect summer day. The sun was warm, but not too hot. There was a little wind. The sky was so blue.
It sounds like a beautiful day. And you were in a park? A big park?
Yes, a very big, beautiful park with lots of green grass and big trees. We found a perfect spot under a big tree.
So you had some shade from the sun. Very smart.
Yes, we were very smart. We had a big blanket. We put it on the grass.
A blanket, a park, a sunny day, a best friend. This is a good story already.
It is! And now for the food. We had a basket, a picnic basket.
Of course. What was in the magic basket?
It was a magic basket. We had sandwiches.
Sandwiches. What kind of sandwiches? This is important.
It is very important. I had a cheese and tomato sandwich.
Simple and good. I like it.
Yes, the bread was so fresh. The cheese was yellow and nice, and the tomatoes were so red and sweet.
A good tomato is everything.
It is. And Sarah had a chicken sandwich. She said it was very good too.
Okay, so you had sandwiches. What else was in the magic basket?
We had fruit. We had big red strawberries.
Strawberries. I love strawberries in the summer.
Me too. They were so sweet and juicy, And we had apple slices. They were green and crunchy.
This sounds so fresh and healthy.
It was. And to drink, we had lemonade. Cold lemonade in a bottle.
Oh, a perfect drink for a sunny day. Was it sweet?
It was sweet, but also a little sour. From the lemons. It was so refreshing.
I can imagine it. Sitting in the park, under a tree, with a cold lemonade. That is the life.
Yes. So we ate our sandwiches and our fruit. We drank our lemonade. And we just talked.
What did you talk about?
Oh, everything. We talked about books, about movies, about our families. We laughed a lot.
That sounds perfect. Good food and good conversation.
It was. And, the food was so simple. A sandwich, some fruit. But in that moment, it tasted like the best food in the world.
Why do you think that was?
I think because everything was perfect. The weather was perfect. The park was beautiful and quiet. My friend was there, and we were so happy.
So it was the feeling again, like my spaghetti story.
Yes, exactly. The simple food tasted amazing because of the moment. The sun on my face, the fresh air, the laugh of my friend. It all went into the food. It made the food special.
That is a great way to say it. It made the food special. I like that. So, a simple cheese and tomato sandwich was your best meal ever.
It was. It was so simple but so perfect. I remember looking at the blue sky and eating my strawberry, and I thought, this is the best. I will remember this day forever.
And you do. That's wonderful, Emily. It's funny, isn't it?
What is funny?
We could talk about big, expensive restaurants, fancy food, but our best meals, they are simple. My meal was pasta at home. Your meal was a sandwich in a park.
That's true. I think the best meals are about love. Your grandmother's love in the food, my friendship with Sarah.
Yes, you are so right. It's about who you are with and how you feel.
Exactly. A meal can be just eating, or it can be a special memory that you keep for your whole life.
So true. I think food is a language. It's a way to say, I love you. My grandmother's spaghetti was her way to say, Happy birthday, Paul. I love you.
Aw, that is so sweet. And it's true. When I make food for my friends or family, I try to put love in it too.
Me too. I am not a great cook like my grandmother.
Are you a good cook, Paul?
I am an okay cook. I can make pasta. I can make a good sandwich.
A good sandwich is a very important skill.
Thank you. But when I cook for someone, I think about them. I want them to be happy when they eat my food.
That's the secret ingredient. Love.
It is. So, your picnic was last year. Have you had another picnic with Sarah?
Yes, we have. We love picnics. But that one day, it was just special. You know how some days are just magic?
I do know. It's when everything feels right. The weather, the people, the food. It's a perfect picture.
Yes, a perfect picture. And my memory of that day is like a happy picture in my head.
My memory of my birthday is like that too.
I can see my grandmother's kitchen. I can see the big pot of sauce.
Can you smell it?
Yes, if I close my eyes, I can smell it now. The tomatoes, the garlic.
That's so lovely. Memories of food are very strong.
They are. A smell or a taste can take you back in time. Back to your grandmother's kitchen or a park on a sunny day.
That is so true. Sometimes I smell fresh bread and I think of my dad. He loves to make bread.
Oh, really? Fresh bread from the oven? That is one of the best smells in the world.
It is. The whole house feels warm and cozy.
So maybe a meal with your dad's fresh bread is another one of your best meals.
Yes. I remember one time it was a cold day, a winter day, and my dad made bread, and we ate the warm bread with butter.
Oh, stop. That sounds too good. Warm bread and butter. So simple.
So simple, so perfect. The butter melted on the bread. It was so delicious. We didn't even have a big meal with it, just the bread.
See? Another simple meal that is a special memory. Your dad's bread, your picnic, my grandmother's pasta.
It seems our best meals are the simple ones, made with love.
I think so. It's not about the price. It's not about how fancy it is. It's about the feeling.
I agree 100%. The feeling is what you remember.
This conversation is making me so hungry again. I want spaghetti now.
And I want a cheese and tomato sandwich on very fresh bread.
Maybe we should have a picnic together sometime, Emily. I can bring the sandwiches.
That is a wonderful idea, Paul. I can bring the lemonade.
It's a plan. It will be the Mr. English Channel picnic.
I love it. We can talk about our next favorite meal.
Yes. This has been such a nice conversation, Emily. It's so nice to share these happy memories.
I agree, Paul. It was wonderful to hear about your birthday with your grandmother. It painted such a happy picture in my mind.
And your picnic story made me feel like I was there in the park with you and Sarah.
Oh, that's great. It just shows that food connects us. The stories about food connect us.
They really do. Everyone eats, and everyone has a story about a meal they loved.
That's a perfect way to end our chat. And it's a perfect question for our listeners.
Yes, we want to hear from you. What was the best meal you have ever had?
Please tell us your story. Was it a special food? Where were you? Who was with you?
We would love to read your stories. Leave a comment below this video and tell us everything.
Your story can be in simple English. It's okay. We just want to hear about your happy food memory.
Exactly. And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Channel for more easy and fun English conversations.
And please give this video a like and share it with your friends and family. It helps our channel grow.
Yes, please do. Thank you all so much for listening today.
It was so much fun. Thank you, Paul.
Thank you, Emily. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now. We'll see you in the next episode.